Hello and welcome, it's Chili Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, and I'm going to do a complete blowout today. It's going to be a complete abstract landscape, basically all done with pouring, tilting and my blow dryer. So I'm not going to talk much through this because it's using up some leftover paints, and then the rest is basically, as I mentioned, blow drying out. So I am thinning down the paints that I feel are a little bit too thick because I'm going to be blowing them out, so you don't need them to be too thick at all for this kind of technique. So let's see how this one blows out to be. super happy with that. I can really work with that. Absolutely work with that. Somebody did ask me to do like, you know, the gorgeous red and orange sunsets or sunrises, and I am definitely going to do that colour, but I don't know what I was thinking I'm going to put my tree cutouts in there because there's just too much going on, I believe. But I'm quite happy to actually leave it exactly like that. I might define the black into a bit more hill and the yellow to look more like the sun's coming up behind there. But I love, like, that's turbulent sky, the reds, and then the earthy down below, like could be mountains, rocks. I just think the blowing out landscapes is just perfect way of creating the abstract landscape. Okay, wait on for the finished photos. So I just want to remind you guys, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, then definitely a helpline. You are not alone. So take care, my lovelies. Until next time, bye for now.
Your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway, shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. And your shadow to the coast, past the surfing whitewashed beaches, under under cypress trees and smoke. Carved like lovers into driftwood.